49 Market is very innovative, and I just love that about them. This is a new album. As you can see, it is white, and I'm just going to slide this away and kind of show it to you. It measures 6.5 by 8.5, then it's 2.5 inches thick, and it's this white board front and back. Now, that's not all. So it has this piece that really holds everything very securely, and let me show you what's inside. There are 4 attached flip pages, just like this, so you can build out your own pages, your own unique pages. Now, when it opens up, it measures 12 inches by 8 inches. It's closed, it's 6 by 8. Why is that important to know? Well, not coincidentally, 49 Market has come out with some papers that measure 6 by 8. So that must be their reasoning for doing that. Now, in the back here, there is this waterfall structure. And let me show it to you. You can attach this to the inside front or the inside back. So let me just show you as I open this up. And there is the waterfall. So these are nicely spaced. In fact, I want to show you that in the album too. So they're spaced so that if you really want to pile lots of goodies on there, maybe some flowers, if you want to use this for photographs, you've got plenty of room to do that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. This comes with the album. It is also sold separately, so that's kind of nice. And you just secure it by wrapping this around that fastener. So this goes right in here, or again, you can put it right there. Now, I did mention that the pages are also nicely spaced apart. I would say that's almost a ½ inch, and it just gives you room to really decorate and to really have fun. So very fun, creative surface for us, and all of it is from our friends at 49 Market.